Warning. If the topic of psychological manipulation and emotional enslavement of women offends you, I want you to stop watching this video. And if you want to continue, you must agree never to use this knowledge to hurt women. Deal? Great. Let's start. Question. Do you know what's the most common problem faced by guys when it comes to dating? Here's the answer. Approach anxiety. If the idea of approaching women and starting conversations with them freaks you out too, then this video is for you. And I can guarantee that you've never seen the techniques that I am going to share with you, so keep watching until the end, alright? Before we start, let's get this out of the way. It's not your fault you have approach anxiety. It's a disease that modern society seems all too happy to spread among today's men. So if you got infected by this disease, don't worry about it. Most guys have this problem. Again, it's not your fault. And yet, guess what? It is your responsibility to overcome it. That means you must destroy approach anxiety if you have it. And this video will show you how. Before that, however, could you do me a favor? Help me out by clicking like, because that would be a really awesome thing for you to do. Seriously, click like now as I wait here. Done clicking like? Great. Let's start by dispelling some myths about approaching women out of the way. Men with approach anxiety tend to use pickup lines as a sort of crutch. They can't start conversations with women themselves, so they let pickup lines break the ice for them. Some common and embarrassing pickup lines include, "Hey girl, glad I brought my library card. I'm totally checking you out." "Are you a thief? 'Cause you stole my heart." "Can you touch me? I want to be touched by an angel." Embarrassing, right? Well, guess what? Not only are pickup lines rather cringy, but they also don't work. And here's why. Women know all about pickup lines, and the moment you use one on them, they'll instantly go on the defensive. If you use pickup lines to start conversations with women, the only women who will be interested in you are the ones who are needy, clingy, and desperate. Unless you're okay with that, then I suggest you don't use pickup lines. Instead, use the Shogun Method technique you're about to learn in this guide. The technique's name is Intrigue Ping, and here's how it works. Just like pickup lines, Intrigue Pings are designed to open women. However, Intrigue Pings are very different from pickup lines in at least 4 ways. 1. They're not scripted. 2. They're not embarrassing. 3. They're relevant to the situation and/or environment. 4. And most importantly, they work. So how do you construct an Intrigue Ping? Well, the formula goes as follows. 1. You say the first part of an Intrigue Ping to catch her attention. 2. She responds in some way, showing you have her attention. 3. You say the second part of the Intrigue Ping, normally with a question relevant to the situation you're both in. We'll get into some examples below, but here's what you need to know for now. The result is starkly different from when you use a pickup line on a woman. Instead of feeling defensive, she'll feel intrigued. Instead of being awkward, the conversation will feel natural. Instead of wanting to get away from you, she'll spare a few minutes to talk to you. Sounds great, right? Next, let's look at some real-world examples. For example, if you spot a pretty woman in a museum and you want to chat her up, you could say to her, "You, excuse me, I know I shouldn't be asking, but her, You, is flash photography allowed in this place?" Or if you want to chat up a woman at a concert, you, "Hey, I know I'll regret saying this, but her, what is it?" You, "Can you tell me about when this band started playing together?" Or if you're at the park and a woman is sitting opposite you, him, "Hi there, can you do me a favor?" Her, "Yes?" Him, "It's time for my ice cream and I need some company. Join me for a minute?" Pretty simple, right? And it doesn't even matter what your question is. It can be silly. It can even be nonsensical. As long as it keeps her from getting defensive, and as long as it makes her intrigued about you, you're in. And guess what? As soon as you start using Intrigue Pings, you'll score more dates than you'll ever before. Believe me. But I gotta warn you though. Soon enough, you'll realize that you have another problem. Starting conversations are no longer a problem for you, but now you want to know how to turn friendly conversations into romantic ones. After all, meeting women is fun, but you'd like to have a girlfriend, right? To solve that problem, let me introduce you to a new concept that you may never even have heard of before. We'll talk about what the new concept is in a short while. For now, if you like this video, then I'd like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. Just scroll down, find the big red subscribe button and click it. Go on, do it. Done subscribing? Great. Now let's continue. The new concept that I was talking about is known as the IRA model. IRA is an acronym for the 4 stages of any relationship with a woman. 1. The intrigue stage, where she first feels intrigued by you. 2. The rapport stage, where she gets to know you better and trust you more. 3. The attraction stage, where she feels romantically attracted to you. 4. The enslavement stage, where she becomes emotionally addicted to you for life. Hence the name IRA. It stands for Intrigue, Rapport, Attraction, and Enslavement. If you want a woman to become a girlfriend, or even better, your wife, then you must follow the IRA model. No exceptions there. And you must lead her through all 4 stages, one stage at a time, without skipping any stage. Now let's tie this back to what we have talked about. Intrigue Pings takes care of the first IRA stage, intrigue. The rapport stage is a bit trickier, and here's why. Build too much of the wrong kind of rapport with her, and she'll end up friend-zoning you. This usually happens when you have platonic instead of sexual rapport with her. When you have platonic rapport with a woman, she'll only see you as a friend or brother, and nothing more. And when that happens, it will truly suck for you. Believe me. So the key to success is this. Build the right kind of rapport with your woman, the sexual kind. And that's where another technique, fractionation, comes in. What's fractionation? It's a mind control technique which is super effective in building sexual rapport with a woman. It's powerful because it uses storytelling to build an emotional connection with a woman on a subconscious level. With fractionation, you'll tell stories which put your woman on an emotional roller coaster. And guess what? Emotional roller coasters are the most addicting thing a woman can ever feel with a man, bar none. Now, you might be wondering, now why in the world would I put my woman on an emotional roller coaster? Why in the world would I give her negative feelings? Wouldn't that put her off? Actually, no. Here's why. 1. If you only give her good emotions, she'll get bored. 2. If you only give her bad emotions, she'll hate you. 3. But if you give her both good and bad emotions, she'll love you. Here's the best news of all. You can learn and master fractionation right now. All you'll need to do is join Derek Rake's legendary online masterclass on mind control, which I highly recommend. A link will come up in your video. To join the masterclass, click on the link and follow the instructions. Do it.